I'm going to show you a few of the more advanced asserts and how to utilize these. The first thing that we need to do is to add some static import. Import static org.hamcrest.corematchers.star. This will give us all the Hamcrest core matchers. Then we're going to do import static org.junit.matchers.junitmatchers.star. And this will give us all of the JUnit matchers as well. You can see here, these are all the Hamcrest matchers. All of, any of, described as, is anything, is equal, is instance of, is not, is null, is same. If I go back from here, and I'm just at the GitHub page on the wiki on the article on matchers and assert that, you can also see a link here to the JUnit matchers. And you can see that there's a bunch of other matchers that exist on the JUnit side as well. Let's go ahead and try one of these. Let's just do a simple match. Instead of doing this assert equals 10, and we're going to use this assert that. In order to use this assert that, we do need to make sure that our import is right. Right now it's just importing assert equals, so let's do assert.star so we get everything. Now we can do assert that service.getTotal. And then for our matcher, we're just going to use this is matcher. We can just say is 10. Now this replaces this assert equals. And you can see that this is a little bit easier to read. I'm going to go ahead and leave both of these in here so that we can run this test and see that they both work exactly the same. So when you look at this, this does pass, and that's because both of these asserts are true. And we can chain together some of these. We could do a more complex assert. Let's say we did assert that service.getTotal all of, meaning that anything in here has to be true. Every single one of these matchers that we'll create now has to be true. So we'll say it needs to be equal to 10, and it needs to be an instance of integer.class. What this assert is going to do is it's basically going to check all of these conditions, that it is 10 and that it's an instance of integer.class. If either of these is false, this all of will be false, which will fail that assert. So let's go ahead and run this. And you can see this is true. We can go ahead and get rid of our other asserts, since this one will verify everything those we're verifying and more. Now you can combine these together, you can use different ones, and if you look over at the GitHub JUnit page in this wiki, it gives you some more information about this. You can see here that there are some links for getting even more. If you download the actual Hamcrest full package, there's tons of other ones that you can use here in addition to these JUnit ones that are included in these Hamcrest core matchers. So quite a bit of flexibility. You can pretty much match on whatever condition you can think of using these advanced asserts.